𝐂𝐲𝐽𝐿 over here, and this iconic JDM legend is Nissan Fairlady 370Z. Cheapest unit on the market, tastefully done up and superbly well maintained with receipts. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. Comes in iconic Nardo gray color, fitted with original Amuse body kit that also comes with a bonnet and spoiler. Behind we have legal HKS exhaust that sounds so beautiful, and we already heard it. This car is real drive, powered by a naturally aspirated V6 engine, producing 330 horsepower and 363 Newton meters of torque. This car is fast and it is powerful. In front we have 6-spot big brake kit by Brembo, sitting pretty on TE37 rims, wrapped in expensive brand new Pirelli P0 tires. This car is gorgeous. I simply cannot stop looking at it. And now, let's go in. All right, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Absolutely stunning cabin. Super beautiful, super sporty. First things first, we have flat bottom carbon fiber steering wheel that is so nice to hold. It's multifunctional. Also comes with pedal shifters, and you can see that attached to steering wheel column. They are large to make it easy for you to shift when you're doing spirited driving. Fantastic looking, super sporty speedometer cluster. Absolutely love this. Over here we have more meters, beautiful clock, and the whole dashboard been wrapped in Alcantara. How nice, how beautiful is that? Also, this is a sport car, but it comes with some nice premium features. Keyless start and stop. Fully electric seats, also very cool. Seat belts in this car were changed to orange color to match the orange big brake kit. Also, we have black color roof lining. Overall, this is such a nice automobile and it's such a pleasure to drive. Also comes with upgraded Android player with reverse camera. Alright guys, just now I took this for a spin and it was super shock. In terms of COE, we still have 3 years, 11 months left. Plenty of time for you to enjoy this iconic JDM legend. Also, this car is superbly well maintained, comes with receipts dating back to 2021, steering rack just changed to brand new, road tax just paid up front another 6 months. So you buying this car, this is certainly the best unit you can get on the market, and cheapest some more. So you all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.